What's up, y'all? I'm back, and this is the end of the month. I got nothing going on in here. Doing a little room summer cleaning, some bug bombing, some scrubbing up of the buckets, and I'm moving lights around. I'm getting ready for my next grow. But this is the monthly channel roundup. Yeah, I'm gonna put SE7000s in my veg tent, which is a little crazy. Either way, this is the monthly channel roundup. Like I've said before, each month I'm just going to go ahead and put some channels in the description. Some channels you might want to check out. Not everything is for everybody, but some of it might be for you, and it's a good way for people to get their channels out there that are just starting out or whatever. But the point is, if you guys want to go check out some new content from different people, see what people are growing. They got soil guys, they got living soil guys, they got hydro guys, got all kinds of crap. Outdoor, indoor. Point is, go check out the description there. I have everybody's like identifier written down. And if you want me to write your identifier down, just put it, just write some in the comments like, hey, I've got a channel too, or whatever. And I'll try and make sure I get it. YouTube does delete things like that. So like I said, all of them are in the description. Go check out the description, and you guys will be able to check out some new channels you probably haven't seen before. Either way, appreciate you guys watching, and I'll be back here in, I don't know, a week or two with my actual videos. But yeah, just getting this monthly channel roundup. Like I said, the last weekend of every month I'll just post this thing, and that's where we're at. So go check out the homies. Peace.